I'm here, I'm ready, and I'm fully warmed up.
You ran past the starting mark 3 times.
Warm-up laps.
Today, we're learning down.
Down?
Yes, down.
Like all the way down?
Welcome to Pups Teaching Pups. I'm Bono, and this is my co-host Beau.
Down is a lot of commitment.
Down isn't just a trick, it's a calming tool. When your puppy knows down, you can use it at the vet, at the park, at a friend's house, anytime you need them to settle.
Wait, you can use it at the park? But there's squirrels and other dogs there.
Exactly. That's why we practice.
How many treats?
1 per successful down.
1? Bono, I'm about to lie on the ground.
That is indeed what down involves.
That's at least 3 treats worth of commitment.
1 treat. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Your puppy.
Present.
Small treats.
I see them.
A quiet space. Patience.
That one's for me, isn't it?
That one is for everyone. Teaching down has 4 steps. Let's go through them one at a time. Step 1, start in sit. Before you can go down, your puppy needs to be in sit. You already know sit, right, Beau?
Obviously.
Good. Start every down from a sit. It's easier for your puppy to lower themselves when they're already close to the ground. Step 2, lure down with the treat. Hold the treat right at your puppy's nose. Then slowly move it straight down toward the ground, right between their front paws. Their nose follows the treat, and their body comes with it.
I'm doing it. I'm going. Is this it? Is this down?
That's a start. Step 3, mark and reward the moment their elbows hit. The moment your puppy's elbows touch the ground, that's your moment. Say yes and give the treat immediately.
Is my moment now?
Yes, Beau. Your moment is now.
I knew I was doing it right.
Once your puppy gets comfortable with the lure, start adding the word. Say down just before you move the treat toward the ground. Step 4, practice until the word is enough. After lots of practice, your puppy will start to understand that down means lower yourself. Start to phase out the lure, and eventually just say the word. Down, Beau.
Okay, we're doing this. I have reached the ground.
Good boy, Beau.
I'm going to need a moment to recover from that.
Here are some common mistakes to watch for. Moving the treat too fast. If you lower the treat too quickly, your puppy's nose rushes after it and their body doesn't have time to follow. Go slow.
Very important tip.
You went too fast the first 3 times.
I knew that.
Practicing when your puppy is tired or distracted. Pick a calm moment. 5 or 10 minutes before a meal is a great time to practice.
What if your puppy is tired from earlier warm-up laps?
Short break first.
Requesting short break.
Granted, don't push your puppy's back end down. It might seem helpful, but it can make them nervous about the command. Let them choose to lower themselves. Down should feel safe, not forced. Let's review. Only 4 steps, and Beau nailed every single one.
I am living proof it works.
From the ground?
Exactly where down happens, Bono.
Thanks for watching Pups Teaching Pups. If this helped your puppy, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
You can do it. I believe in your puppy. I also believe in treats.
Next time, Beau discovers he might not actually know his own name.
I definitely know my name.
See you next Tuesday. Woof!